Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought we would decorate another memory decks card here today. I already have my patterned paper and I had stitched around it and I made it super sturdy with 3 layers of 110-pound cardstock in between. So this backside I'm going to leave as is because I like the stitching on here so much better. This one I was trying out a different stitch and honestly I really don't like it. So originally I was going to decorate on this side, but now we're decorating on this side to cover up most of what's going on here. So the first thing I wanted to do with this is use this trim that I have. It's just like a grass trim and I really just like how it looks. So I thought it should go down here. Obviously I'm gonna have to cut off some pieces and stuff just to make sure, you know, everything goes in there. So let me cut off a piece that will fit right after here. Okay, and there's like an adhesive on the bottom here. So I'm gonna take this off. Is that adhesive? It is, but it's not, or it, oh wait, is it? Okay, it is adhesive. So I'm gonna stick this down here. I hope you guys like these kinds of like process videos. I think they're fun to film and do because I gotta make stuff anyway, and it's nice to show you guys because sometimes you guys think that people just create things so fast, and I'm definitely not one of those people. Definitely not. There are some people that I feel that do create fast, but I'm not one of those. So I don't know, sometimes it's nice to see like the actual process behind the scenes. So what I'm doing here is, I know I have to cut off these pieces, so I am gluing the grass to the back here, because when I cut it off, I still want these pieces to be there. Just gonna let that dry a minute. Not really though, because I'm impatient, so we're gonna just cut it. You know, I actually have this punch, but I don't know if this is gonna work. You know what? Maybe it will. I have this new Heidi Spot punch that I recently got, and it just turns anything into a memory decks card. And instead of me trying to cut those out, maybe I could just punch them out. And you know what? Then I got use out of my memory decks new punch, since I haven't even opened it yet. If I could find it, I will link it down below. I know it was recently back in stock on scrapbook.com. So I saw somebody post about it on Instagram and I was like, okay, I will go pick one up. I'm very new to making memory decks cards, so I didn't even know like these things existed. So I'm gonna line this up. I won't even fit. Okay guys, fail. That's not gonna work. All right, back to our scissors. So this will work. Just gotta cut it. And it's not the best thing to cut this. We might need my finger blade. Hold on guys. Okay, so I have my finger blade here. This is by Fiskars. I could have this link down below as well. And I'm just going into these little pieces and going over it multiple times until it will cut through. Okay guys, that's pretty good. One of my pieces of grass did fall off though, so I'm just gonna stick him back on because it's looking a little naked in that spot now. All right, that's good. Okay, so we kind of got one done. This is really rough to cut through trim. I'll try to clean it up a little bit with some scissors also. Okay, that looks much better. Now we're gonna do this one. So I'm gonna go in with some scissors first. Try to cut off as much as I can. All right, guys, that is good enough. That will still go on a memory dex card. I also picked up these little chickies from Michael's. They were on sale. They were like, it wasn't $1.99. It was like 97 cents. So I was like, okay, let's pick some of these up. And I need to use at least one of these on my project. I don't know what else I would be using them for, but I think it would look really cute on a memory dex card. So I got one. Guys, how cute is this little chickie gonna look? All right, so I do want to use him. I have these butterflies that I just recently made in a previous video, so we are gonna bulk this memory dex card up a little bit, not too much out. I don't want to go too far out, but we are gonna bulk it up. I'm also gonna layer, I have like some die cut pieces and stuff that, I don't know, just while I've been crafting with Easter, I have all these leftover pieces. Oh, which side? This side, I think. So I'm gonna stick that onto the cardstock back, just to make it a little thicker and sturdier. Okay. I think that star's a little too big. Okay, let's see. I have all these little bits and pieces. Ooh, this little chickie. Oh, how cute would that look behind the grass? Maybe this guy. I don't know. I need to bulk this out a little bit more. So I need something to bulk it though. Let me see. I have a couple of pieces of chipboard. I don't have like Easter chipboard, but I have this frame. This is from the Willow Lane collection. I don't know, but it's just here. So I might as well use it. All right, I'm gonna stick this bunny down. I guess this memory dex card might not be as poofy as I was thinking it's going to be. Not poofy, what am I saying? Bulky, chunky. All right, gotta cut this piece of grass because it's blocking the face of the bunny. Okay. Then I do like this little frame around it, but maybe behind the grass. Oh, I do like that. All right, so let's put down some of this hot glue. Okay, and then this little egg was gonna go here. And he was going to, but maybe we'll just put one of these little things instead. And I have some foam squares, so we're just gonna cut one. Okay, I want this butterfly to go here. I just feel like he's really big. Let me see if I have a smaller one. I do. I have this. Oh, that looks better. So I have this smaller one. I really want him to go somewhere here. I don't know, guys. I'm just trying to make stuff up as I go here today. Like, I wanted it to be chunky, but I don't see that happening right now. I mean, I guess this one's more of like a scene because what else am I gonna do? All right, so this guy is gonna get a foam square. I mean, it looks cute and all. I just wanted it a lot chunkier. I mean, I guess the other one is chunky, so maybe this one shouldn't be as chunky. I don't know. Okay, I need some sentiments. I don't have a lot. I have Sweet Treat, Bunny. Funny Bunny is a little big, but let me see. This is on a sticker. Maybe this could go here or something like that. Let's put this on a piece of cardstock. Oh look, I have this one laying around on my desk randomly. These scraps are nice, guys. And I always attach my stickers to a piece of cardstock. That way I could try to layer it up a little bit and I could pop up some foam under it without it being like flimsy. So I do that quite often. Okay, I think I might like that here. It would need to go, like have some eyelash trim behind it or something. Where's my little chick gonna go? He looks so fuzzy, he's so cute. Okay, he has like a wire sticking out here. I'm gonna cut off a little bit of this wire. I don't really know what that is. But we're gonna try to cut some off. And we're gonna cut off a little bit of his legs. That looks better. And he'll fit like right here. And he could go right there. That looks cute. I'm going to stick him on with some hot glue right on top of that frame. All right, this is what we got so far. We still need this butterfly. We got the funny bunny. I still need some eyelash trim. Let me get that because I forgot to grab that. Some eyelash trim, and that's gonna go behind this funny bunny sentiment. That's a lot of eyelash trim, guys. Maybe that needs to go in the butterfly. Oh my goodness, I don't know. I guess let's cut some off because that's too much eyelash trim. Be more on the sides and the bottom, but the top can't have too much if he's going right here. I still feel like it needs something else behind that funny bunny thing. So I'm trying to look what I have. I don't see a lot. Well, maybe we'll use like this scrap. Let's use this. Let's cut around it. So instead of using it as a star, we're gonna use it as a scrap. Oh, I like how it like just created that arrow right there. I do like that. And let's continue with that arrow. Okay, I'm gonna pop this up on some foam. Actually, he can't have a lot of foam. He needs, I didn't need all that glue. He needs some foam here, because part of it is going to be on top of the little chick. So he just needs enough dimension to go on top of the little chick. Alright, that's 3 layers of foam right there. That should be enough. Let it dry, guys. Let it dry first. Okay, that will be good. Okay guys, there's my little weird looking arrow, but it's okay because this is gonna go on top. Okay, let's pop this up on a foam. Alright, we're getting some chunkiness. We're getting somewhere, guys. Not a lot of chunkiness, but we're getting something. And that's better than nothing. I still consider myself new to chunky, so I only started, my first one I made was for a Christmas swap of 2019 in December. So that was my first like chunky thing I made. Or actually no, I attempted one for Halloween in 2019. And I just made one. And then for a swap, I actually was like, okay, let's make a whole bunch of chunky stuff. So then I did make some chunky, and then I've just been practicing my layering skills. But I think I've been doing a pretty good job with it. So, all right, so there's that. And then I do want this little butterfly up here. So I might put that down. But I feel like... right, maybe this butterfly needs its little like body piece. I'm just gonna make this a little smaller because I think they're a little big. So I'm just gonna round it, and that's this little body piece. We're gonna put it down. How cute, guys. Super cute. What else could I add? I don't know. But let's stick this little bunny down. Not bunny. Butterfly. That looks cute. And we covered up a lot of the stitching that I wasn't liking. So that's good. Do I have any more little flowers? I feel like I need some more flowers or something. Another one of these, but I want a different color. I have a pinwheel. That's cute. That looks like spring. Pinwheel here or pinwheel here. Here, I think. We're just gonna stick it on with some hot glue and just attach that to here. Okay, not that chunky, guys. But I'm liking it, and I like this cute little chick. He's so cute. Okay, guys, here is the finished Memory Decks card. Not that chunky compared to the other one you guys saw me make, but I like that this one's like a cute little scene, like a little chick and a little bunny in the grass. You have this cute little chick that I got to use. This butterfly I just recently made, so that way you guys also see like how I'm using it, which is nice. But yeah, not that chunky. I mean, I guess a little chunky, but not really that chunky in my opinion, but I really do like how this turned out. Not my favorite, but I like it. It's a nice little scene. Normally you're just layering stuff on top, not really making a scene. This one was a little different in that it has like a scene on here, which is really cute. And you could just tell that this is Easter themed. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little process video of making this Memory Decks card. The back is just going to stay fairly plain. I'm just going to add my little Karolina's Crafts sticker back here. And that is going to be it for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye!